on the last video with me, this happened. And now we make him better. So if anybody knows the creator of this, it's on Etsy. If you put Grogu Baby Yoda body, it'll pop up. I don't know who the original creator is, but I would like to give credit since I'm still using their body. Also, I would like to talk to them. Maybe they can release my files, join them, come up with something better together. I don't know. It's a good base, I'll say that. It's just really delicate parts. My new plan is this. Have a ball joint and a ball joint inside a body, aka like a forearm or a leg, moving up and down and left to right and rotating, and the shoulder will start here, same. So it would have all the normal movements and more, so, and most likely not to break, which is the most important part, by the use of screws. So here we go. That was a lot of glue. Yeah, I feel like this is another part where I take shortcuts. Again. This is the way. So now let's start with the head. So for the head, I came up with these. Slight head movement. Now the easy part. Articulated, arms move, everything moves. All the joints and bending motions are where they're supposed to. He can even roll his shoulders. Some knee movement, knee rotation, hips, and out. So I was able to tighten up the legs here. Yeah. So now they maintain their shape. Okay. Too much. Yeah, I cracked right there. So that's not good. Even though I just tested it, it holds. So we'll see. Something to fix for the future. Bam. Is this the way? This is the way.